XRP Ripple investors, this is a warning, so make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction for the XRP Ripple price. This is DC Trading. Today we have crypto news to go over, and then we'll get into the technical analysis and price prediction. Let's start off with some breaking news. There's a rumor going on that supposedly Blackrock is going to shift their crypto focus from Bitcoin to XRP. Remember, guys, this is a rumor. I live in reality. I understand this right here is completely false. Obviously, I want this to be true, but I live in reality. With that being said, XRP Army, please stop falling for the trap. This gained momentum. This gained a lot of traction on Twitter, and now this thing is a big story that is completely false. Moving on, we do have an update on the FTX situation. As you guys know, they did get approved to liquidate, but the judges allowed FTX to only liquidate $100 million weekly. And we understand Solana, Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum are the key cryptos that will be liquidated weekly. Good news is they cannot dump billions of dollars in one day. It has to be weekly, and it's only 100 million weekly, which is good news because it's not going to cause a lot of volatility in the markets. So, yep, that's the update with FTX and, liquidations. Moving on to XRP technical analysis. If we take a look at the charts right now, we can clearly see we have been respecting this ascending line. Earlier this week, we did see XRP test it. It dropped all the way down to 45 cents, but then it made its way back up, currently around 50 cents. But we do have resistance right here at 55 cents. We did test this a couple times, as you guys can see, got rejected. It is very clear. 55 cent is a key resistance. So it looks like we're getting closer and closer to either a breakout to the upside above 55 cents or a breakout to the downside, meaning if we do break down to the downside, we're going to see a 30-cent XRP. I'm excited about that. I want this to happen so I can buy more XRP because I understand in 1 to 2 years from now, we're going to be in a completely different situation. XRP Ripple are going to go to the moon. I understand. My price prediction in the bull run is going to be an $8 to $15 XRP. Now, with that being said, just understand, before things get better, it must get worse. If you take a look over here at the Bitcoin price, it looks very dark. Why do I say that? Well, if we take a look at the daily Fibonacci's, we can clearly see we got rejected at the 0.618 golden Fibonacci. And that is basically telling us and confirming this is a dead cap bounce, meaning this is probably a fake out, and we're going to see more downside, and we're going to be testing $25,000 once again. Why is this bad? Because I understand Bitcoin dominance is around 50%, still very strong. So whatever Bitcoin decides to do, the crypto market will follow, meaning XRP will follow what Bitcoin decides to do. As you guys can see, looking at the HTF liquidity, the bulls have entered the markets, but I don't think it's a smart idea right now because we do have the FOMC meeting, which is going to take place next week on the 19th to the 20th. We should expect a lot of volatility for sure. But taking a look over here, yes, according to the Fibonacci's, this is a dead cat bounce. We got rejected at 0.618 right here. In order to be bullish on the Bitcoin price, we need to be above $27,000, and we need to close the daily and weekly above 27,000. Just because we did, wick to 27,000 doesn't mean we're bullish. We need the daily and weekly to close above 27. Remember that, guys. But with that said, expect next week to be very volatile because of the FOMC meeting. I expect Jerome Powell to say what? I expect him to say, yes, we're going to pause interest rates. And in the next meeting, we're going to have to wait for further data to be released. That's just the truth. So it's probably going to be a 50-50. We do see interest rate hikes continue in 2023. With that being said, there is a chance we do see XRP drop to lower prices. 30, 20 cents, that's a possibility. If we take a look at the daily time frame, it is telling us to buy, but I'm not too confident because look at the volume here on the MACD indicator, very low. Also, 55 cent is a strong resistance level. We got rejected here twice. So what makes you think XRP will be able to break through 55 cents again? Especially with so much questions that need to be answered with the US economy. Right now, guys, the money is drying up. So now we're going to see the US economy in jeopardy. So at some point, the government is going to have to come back in, print some more money to stimulate the economy. I expect that in 2024, 2025, when the bull run is around the corner, you know? With that being said, my price prediction for this upcoming week is going to be 55 to 45 cents until further notice. But depending on the FOMC meeting and Bitcoin, we're either going to see Bitcoin or XRP break through 55 cents next week or break below, meaning a 30-cent XRP is a possibility by next week. Yes. With that being said, guys, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction. This is DC Trading. If you made it this far, comment the number 555. Peace.